With new stocks, charts, and fractional limit orders, April has been a bumper month for news and updates from your favourite UK trading apps. Take a look. With the aim of making its user experience more intuitive and transparent, trading app Lightyear has introduced portfolio insights for all users. This new feature enables you to see what percentage of your whole portfolio is invested in different sectors, companies, and countries, even if your portfolio contains investments across different products, like individual shares and exchange-traded funds. Alongside Portfolio Insights, Lightyear is also launching a portfolio profit and loss explainer, because you can never have too much information about your investments. In addition to fractional market orders, Trading 212 is now offering fractional limit, stop, and stop limit orders. The new feature makes investing even more flexible for different budgets, as it allows you to invest in your favorite companies using these types of orders, regardless of the value of your trade. The trading app has also launched extended market hours prices across its Invest and ISA products. Freetrade has launched a batch of 60 new stocks for customers on its Standard and Plus plans. The batch includes exchange-traded funds, exchange-traded commodities, and investment trusts, as well as some more complex investing products, which will require you to fill out a short appropriateness questionnaire to assess your expertise and ensure you know the risks before investing in these specific stocks. New state-of-the-art charts have arrived on eToro, which is also a really fun sentence to say. Created in partnership with TradingView, a market leader in charting and analysis tools, the new charts aim to give investors deeper technical analysis, more precise insights, and an overall better user experience. Typically, if you want to open a lifetime ISA, you can only do so between the ages of 18 and 40. But with Dodl's new LISA feature, if you're over 40, you can now open a LISA with them as long as you're transferring in an existing lifetime ISA. Every month, we'll be bringing you the latest updates on all of your favorite trading apps. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out. To see our roundup of the best trading apps in the UK at the moment, visit finder.com by clicking this link here. Till next time, thanks for watching.